How to change phone number on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your phone number on Facebook. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. To change your Facebook phone number, you must first open up your Facebook and make sure you're logged in into your account. Then you will need to head over to your account center. For that, come to your menu page on the bottom right and then tap on settings on the top right. Then there you should find account center after it loads. So there you can find Meta Accounts Center. Tap on it and open it up. Now right there you will need to head over to your personal details. Under personal details you'll find contact info. Tap on it. And from here you can tap on add new contacts. Now all you have to do is add a mobile number instead, and then finally add a mobile number. And that's how easy it is, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.